what's up? Welcome back to my real chosen ones out there. Thank you guys for being here, chosen ones. And we're going to go ahead and get into your love messages today. I want to say thank you so much for your support to my channel. Those of you who do, and those of you who have your ways of watching. And you know what? I'm going to be the bigger person, and I'm going to say thank you to YouTube too, for allowing this platform to be here, even though you guys reduce people's numbers, but I am already aware, right? But I'm going to say thank you anyway. All right. So I want to say also that you guys are really awesome for being here today, for clicking this and showing your love and support. You don't want to miss these messages because this is about your love life, guys. So I want to tell you that I have many different services that I provide in my shop. So if you want truthful, realistic, real-time information and guidance about what is happening in your love life. Maybe you just want to know, how does he or she feel about you in the current moment? What is he thinking or what is she thinking? Maybe you need clarity about something that this person said to you, or something that they asked you about. Maybe you need help or advice about how to answer it or what to say, and just what's going on there. You may also have questions about your life purpose. What are you meant to do? What is your true path on your journey? Where are you supposed to be? That is available for you guys. I just always ask that you give me honesty so that I can give the same back to you. All right. So if you guys are interested, the link for that to my shop is in the beginning of this video, as well as down below in the description box. All right. So we are going to get started with your love guidance now. Hi, Gemini. Welcome back. I am back, you guys, and this is my second time trying to get the messages out for you, but it's my fault because I should have made sure that it was actually recording first, like I normally do. But anyway, I am so happy that you're here. If you guys feel the need for personal guidance, feel free to reach out for that. The website shop is in the beginning of this video, and also down below in the description box if you're interested. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up button. At this point, it really helps the channel, okay, that you show your support. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe before you go. All right, so Gemini. Okay, your person and you. Let's go. You guys may feel pretty small compared to this person. You may feel like they hold more weight or more power in the connection with you. And this could be throwing you off a little bit, or maybe causing you to want to steer clear of this person right now, or at least could be trying to make you back down until you see this person warming up to you again. Okay, so during December 1st to the 15th, you guys could be experiencing just a little bit of intimidation from whoever this is that you're interested in right now. You just may feel like this person carries themselves in a certain way, and they are very dominant. They're very strong. They're a leader. They're giving me a leader. Like, I don't use tarot, but if I did use tarot, I would imagine that the King of Swords would come out right about now to show the kind of demeanor or character. It could even be a Queen of Swords. But someone who's direct, blunt, outspoken, someone who speaks truth as well, because the sword is a symbol of truth. And also the sword is the one thing that can shun the devil. So that's that truth. It's the truth. And so you feel like this is a person who does speak the truth, a person who does not cut corners or sugarcoat, a person who really is standing in their power. But the funny thing is with you, Gemini, is that you have learned a lot of things about this person and from this person as well. You have watched them, or you have listened to them, or you have talked with them. And throughout time, you've noticed that your person has evolved and grown much more than before. And they're able to really take action from their own knowledge. And so that's how they move through the world in your eyes. Like, to you, this person retains information and knowledge and they actually apply it. And you may actually see them doing this. You may actually be a witness to them applying the things that they know in the outer world. And it's because they're smart. It's because they're intelligent. They're really someone who could be brilliant even in your eyes because of their concepts, the way they think, how they move, how they operate through the world. They have a leadership quality about them that is very strong. And I don't think you deny that. But I do think it gets a little intimidating for you sometimes because deep down inside, you want this person to love you or pay more attention to you. There's something here that's underlying. And I feel like the truth that's underneath something is that you want them for yourself maybe. Or if not, if it's not that, then you just want them to support you or love you or something. It's like, show me something, mister. It's like, or miss, right? It's like you learn a lot from them. And I think you're learning that if you bring drama or if you bring up your fears in this connection, then it's going to become insignificant in comparison to the overall picture, the big picture. I think that you realize that you're more wiser now because this person is like really opening you up to different things. And this wisdom that you now have allows you to diminish a lot of drama that you could potentially bring to their life or to the connection. It could also help you to do away with fears that you once had. Maybe your fear was trusting them. Maybe your fear was talking to them. Maybe your fear is of this person in general. But I think that this is going away for you as you realize that the big picture is love. The big picture is love. I think that you're actually starting to have love genuinely for this person as you now understand what they are about. As you now understand and see that this person has a heart and that this person really does teach you things. So this is someone who could be lost or confused about why you act the way that you do, Gemini. You may not be showing them love. Instead, you may be giving yourself away to someone or to something else like your work, or really they may think that you have someone else in your life, or you're cheating or something like that, or maybe they feel like you have another obligation, or it's your job or your lifestyle or something like that is really pulling you away from them. So they may not be wanting to open up emotionally with you or revealing too much to you right now as a way for them to honor their own heart or to monitor how much they give. And they're not doing this out of spite. And they're not doing this because they're being mean or anything like that. But remember that there's some key words here. And this person I feel like they have the right to do that. If you do have someone else in your life, then there it is. Or if you don't, then maybe this person is just speculating that you might have somebody else involved. Now, that's going to be a problem for them if they're assuming things. But there's a little inkling here in this message that lets me know that maybe they're instigating something. Maybe they're just assuming. Either way, whether it's true or it's not true, they feel like something keeps you away from them. Okay? But for this person, communication is a big thing. This person could be spiritual. And if they are, then they feel like being a spiritual person is about being genuine and honest. So when they communicate with you, they're genuine and honest. This is a person, let me tell you, that tells you a lot about whoever this is. It tells you a lot about their character. Whoever they are, it tells you a lot about their character. They feel like because they are into their spirituality, how could they lie to you? How could they lie to others? How could they not be honest? How could they not be genuine? They don't believe in hypocrisy. This is not a person who's a hypocrite. This is someone who's always on themselves 100%. What I meant by that is they don't turn off certain things to be a certain way around certain people. They're always them. They just have different moods, different energy. They just have different ways, but they're always the same person. They just fit with the environment that they are in. They act appropriately. So if this is someone who's at work doing their job, then they're going to act like they're at work doing their job. They're going to be professional. But if this person is in the comfort of their own home, then this is someone who's going to be quite comfortable being who they are, because they don't have to be professional when they're at home. So this is a person who really does feel like when they communicate, they're always going to be honest with you. Remember, they hold the sword of truth. So this person is always being who they are. And when they speak from the heart, they know that you resonate with them. They know that you resonate with the truth too. You feel exactly how this person feels. When you hear this person expressing how their emotions or feelings about certain things, deep down inside, Gemini, this is exactly how you feel too. You feel how they feel. You share some of their feelings with them. You are able to sympathize with them because you know what's going on too. So whatever it is in this connection that is going on, you're aware of it. So they know you resonate with the truth that they're saying, and they know that, you can trust them because you know that everything they're saying is true, right? So this person really could be talking positively during this time. They're focused on the good in life. They just want things to be good. Communication is a two-way street in this person's eyes. So if you want them to open up and be a little bit more like vulnerable, then you're going to have to be the same way. You may see this person as a spiritual lesson for you. You may feel like this is someone who is able to teach you a spiritual lesson. A really big, important lesson in your life is being learned and being taught from them. So you may feel like their love makes your bad days better and your worst days bearable. It's something about this person showing up as an example for you for how you should conduct yourself in certain situations or environments as well. Maybe they inspire you to be more professional in your work environment, or maybe they inspire you to really let your hair down and be more comfortable in your home. Because that's really your comfort zone. Your home is your sanctuary. Your home is your haven. So maybe in these places you are really fitting your environment. So at home, you could be dancing around, you could be doing certain things that really feel like nostalgic to you, like childhood. Because this person brings out this truth in you, the truth that you're hiding. This person is so authentic. This is a very, very authentic person, very authentic, almost too authentic sometimes for the world we live in. But this is a very authentic person. They're really being them, and it inspires you to really be you. So they see you as their true love, like their mirror. They feel like you mirror them. What they do, you do. They feel like you are the other half of them. You are definitely in a divine connection with them. That's how they see it. And so they could be asking, would you still want this? Would you still want this connection after you guys get over this little temporary distance or this temporary situation? Because it's definitely temporary. This is definitely not something permanent that's going to go on and on and on forever, where you and this person are just at odds about something simple like this. It's not going to be that. It's not going to keep going on. They just want to know, do you still want to connect with them even after you guys deal with all of these things that you're dealing with, which really seems like for you it's intimidation and for them it's confusion. All right, so I think the best way for you to clear up their confusion, Gemini, if you don't mind me giving a little tidbit of advice here, the best thing for you to do is to clear up their confusion is to communicate with them. All right, and that's all I have. God bless.